Tired of seeing empty ad slots on your website? Let's fix that. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate Google Ad Manager tags so you can start monetizing your content like a pro. First, log into your Google Ad Manager account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to sign up and get approved. Once you're in, navigate to the Delivery tab on the left-hand side. Click on Inventory, then select Ad Units. Here, you'll see a list of your existing ad units, or you can create a new one by clicking the New Ad Unit button. Ad units represent the spaces on your website where ads will appear. Fill in the required details for your new ad unit, such as the name, code which should be descriptive, ad sizes, and placement within your website's hierarchy. Be as specific as possible to organize your inventory well. After creating or selecting an existing ad unit, find the Generate Tags option. Click on it. This will bring up a configuration window. Here, you can choose the tag type. Usually Google Publisher Tag, or GPT, is the best option for most websites. You can also customize settings like whether the tag should request ads from save frames. Once you've configured the settings, Google Ad Manager will generate the ad tag code. This code snippet needs to be implemented on your website. There are two parts: the header code and the body code. Copy the header code and paste it within the head greater than section of your website's HTML. Then, copy the body code, which will be two parts, and paste it where you want the ad to appear on your website, within the body greater than tags. Save your changes, and that's it. After a few minutes, ads should start appearing on your website. If you run into any issues, double-check your tag placement, ad unit settings, and line item configurations in Google Ad Manager. Now go forth and monetize.